Kettlebell swings are a powerful exercise that combines simplicity with remarkable effectiveness, making them a staple in many fitness routines. This dynamic movement not only enhances athletic ability by improving strength, power, and endurance, but also plays a significant role in transforming body composition, promoting fat loss while building lean muscle. As you embark on incorporating kettlebell swings into your regimen, it's essential to focus on mastering the proper technique to ensure safety and maximize benefits. Expect to learn the nuances of the swing, including hip hinge mechanics and core engagement, which are crucial for optimal performance. Additionally, establishing a consistent routine will help you harness the full potential of this exercise, leading to impressive gains in both fitness and physique. With dedication and practice, kettlebell swings can significantly elevate your workout experience and overall health. The two-handed hardstyle kettlebell swing serves as a foundational movement in kettlebell training, offering a robust introduction to the mechanics of swinging. Originating from Russian strength training traditions, this swing is characterized by its explosive power and efficiency, often leading practitioners to experience what is known as the "what the hell" effect, where they are surprised by the immediate strength and conditioning benefits. This exercise primarily targets the posterior chain, which includes key muscle groups such as the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back, playing a crucial role in overall physical performance. By engaging these muscles effectively, the two-handed hardstyle swing not only enhances athletic capabilities, but also contributes to improved posture and injury prevention. Mastering this swing lays the groundwork for more advanced kettlebell movements, making it an essential component of any comprehensive fitness program. The posterior chain is vital for strength and athletic performance, as it encompasses key muscles like the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back, which are essential for powerful movements. Kettlebell swings specifically target these posterior chain muscles, promoting strength and stability while enhancing overall athleticism. Interestingly, both animals and humans instinctively recognize the importance of power generated from the posterior chain. For instance, animals rely on these muscles for explosive movements like jumping or sprinting. This instinctual recognition underscores the significance of developing these muscle groups for optimal performance. Additionally, ballistic movements such as kettlebell swings are particularly effective in generating power due to their dynamic nature. They engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, leading to improved coordination and explosive strength. By incorporating kettlebell swings into a training regimen, athletes can harness the benefits of posterior chain development, ultimately enhancing their performance across various sports and activities. Kettlebell swings are renowned for their impressive calorie-burning potential, with findings from the American Council of Exercise indicating that this dynamic exercise can burn approximately 20 calories per minute, depending on the individual's weight and intensity. When compared to high-intensity activities like sprinting, kettlebell swings offer a similar calorie burn while also incorporating strength training elements, making them a highly efficient workout choice. Engaging large muscle groups during kettlebell swings not only elevates heart rate but also enhances metabolic rate, leading to increased calorie expenditure even after the workout has concluded. This post-exercise oxygen consumption effect, often referred to as EPOC, underscores the metabolic benefits of kettlebell swings, as they promote fat loss and improve overall fitness. By integrating kettlebell swings into your routine, you can effectively maximize calorie burn while simultaneously building strength and endurance. Kettlebell swings can significantly enhance posture and athleticism, particularly in addressing the common issue of anterior pelvic tilt, which often arises from sedentary lifestyles. This condition can lead to muscle imbalances and discomfort, negatively impacting overall movement quality. By incorporating kettlebell swings into your fitness routine, you effectively strengthen the glutes, hamstrings, and core, which are crucial for stabilizing the pelvis and spine. As these muscle groups become more robust, they help counteract the effects of prolonged sitting, promoting a more neutral pelvic position. Improved posture not only enhances aesthetic appearance but also provides biomechanical advantages, such as increased efficiency in movement patterns and reduced risk of injury. With better alignment, athletes can generate more power and maintain balance during dynamic activities. Ultimately, kettlebell swings serve as a powerful tool for fostering both functional strength and improved posture, leading to enhanced athletic performance. To perform the kettlebell swing correctly, start by establishing a proper stance. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly pointed outward, and place the kettlebell on the ground between your feet. Bend at the hips and knees to grasp the kettlebell with both hands, ensuring your grip is firm. As you initiate the swing, focus on the mechanics of the hip thrust. Drive your hips forward explosively while keeping your back straight and core engaged. Your arms should remain relaxed, allowing the kettlebell to swing upward to shoulder height. It's crucial to maintain a straight spine throughout the movement, avoiding any rounding of the back. Additionally, emphasize proper breathing. Inhale as you lower the kettlebell between your legs and exhale forcefully as you thrust your hips forward. This combination of technique, posture, and breath control will maximize the effectiveness of your kettlebell swings. For beginners looking to incorporate kettlebell swings into their workout routine, a simple yet effective approach is to start with 3 sets of 10 repetitions. This allows you to focus on mastering the technique while building strength and endurance. Ensure you take adequate rest periods between sets, ideally around 30 to 60 seconds, to allow for recovery and maintain proper form throughout the workout. As you become more comfortable with the movement and your skill level improves, gradually increase the intensity by adding more repetitions, increasing the weight of the kettlebell, or reducing rest time. This progressive approach will help you avoid injury while promoting continuous improvement. Remember to listen to your body and adjust the routine as needed, ensuring that you maintain proper form and technique at all times. With consistency and dedication, you'll see significant gains in strength and fitness over time. In summary, kettlebell swings offer numerous benefits, including enhanced strength, improved posture, and increased athletic performance. By targeting the posterior chain and engaging large muscle groups, this dynamic exercise not only helps in building power, but also addresses common issues like anterior pelvic tilt. We encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on kettlebell training and to explore various workouts that can elevate your fitness journey. Your engagement is important to us, so please feel free to leave comments or questions below. We love fostering community interaction and are here to support you on your fitness path. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced athlete, sharing your experiences and inquiries can help create a vibrant community where everyone can learn and grow together. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.